So what is up guys, today I'm going to show you how to get your score of your PC. It's your PC. The score that determines how good is your PC. So without further ado, let's get started. So the app today we're going to use is a Cinebench Windows 64-bit. Yes, this is a file that everyone uses, and you can see a lot of like tech reviews, game reviews, spec reviews, kind of people who you see most of the time like that. But this is the best. Cinebench R15, the Cinebench R20 sucks a little bit, but I recommend you Cinebench R15. So this app helps us to get the score of your PC. So let's open it. So this okay. So this is it. So mine is this. This is the most lowest. Now this was the overclocked version. If you want to know how to overclock your PC, it's in the link in the description. And you can find it in my channel too. So it's a 4-to-4 by the way. I have very low spec PC, and you can run OpenGL or CPU. So if I run right now, it's gonna take some time because I'm wait a minute. I think it's gonna crash, so I'm just gonna you guys. So this is very easy. You can OpenGL. Yes, you see my GT17 sucks. CPU. So you can just do anything you like and save your scores to by the file and keep best score plus and preferences and like that. So this is the it. This is it. This is the it file, and this is it. And if you want, this is a very big file by the way. It's like 200 to 300 megabytes. So hope you guys like this video. Share, subscribe, share to your geeky friends like me, and yes, hope you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next time, and peace.